Gamers and tech enthusiasts, prepare to be blown away by the ultimate gaming smartphone experience, the ASUS ROG Phone 8. This powerhouse is designed to dominate the mobile gaming world. Let's break down why this device is a must-have for serious gamers. First up, the display. The ROG Phone 8 features a jaw-dropping 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a blistering 165 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support. Expect buttery smooth gameplay, vivid colors, and an immersive visual experience that takes your gaming to the next level. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering blazing fast performance and zero lag. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles multitasking and the most demanding games like a pro. But that's not all. ASUS knows heat can be a gamer's worst enemy. Enter the advanced GameCool 7 cooling system, packed with a vapor chamber, graphite sheets, and optional external cooling solutions to keep temperatures down during marathon sessions. The AirTrigger 6 ultrasonic sensors provide game-changing, customizable controls, simulating console-like gameplay right in your hands. Your in-game reflexes just got a serious upgrade. Thinking about leveling up your gaming setup? Click the affiliate link below and get your ASUS ROG Phone 8 today. Battery life that doesn't quit. The ROG Phone 8 is equipped with a dual-cell 6000 mAh battery and supports 65W hypercharge. That means less time waiting and more time playing, with a full charge in under an hour. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the stereo speakers with DRAC HD sound that deliver crystal clear, immersive sound, plus the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headset fans. While gaming is its bread and butter, the ROG Phone 8 doesn't skimp on camera quality. The triple camera system includes a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP macro camera for detailed close-ups. And for live streams or selfies, the 32MP front-facing camera has you covered. With top-tier performance, innovative gaming features, and a sleek design, the ASUS ROG Phone 8 is a true game-changer. Don't wait, grab yours now through the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more epic gadget reviews.